Another day at the headquarters. Airlift, what up? So new project.
16.
Is it really a 16? 2015 Lexus GS F Sport. It's already bagged on Airlift, but we are going to do the trunk setup on this car. Check this out. This is clean. So, oops, what? Trying to open the back and I opened the hood. Alright. Wow, this is a big trunk. It's a mess right now. There's nothing really in it, but see, we got 2 compressors. Is that a 5-gallon tank? Looks like a 5-gallon tank. And the airlift management. So we're gonna bring the interior, that color interior, we're gonna bring it into the trunk. Tito will be very happy. Who? Tito GS. The only thing worth money in this car, the plaque. All right, so this is phase 1 for the trunk setup for the Lexus. I have no idea which model are these, but they are the 8s. If I find, I'll put the link under in the description. So this is the sealed portion of the box, and the ported section will be this. Okay, hold up. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so here we have a 4-footer box. It's a properly tuned 4-footer box. 4-footer band pass. So down there we got the sealed, and this is the ported. So this is a 1:2 ratio 4-footer box. We got Mr. Dope. Crazy. Still work in progress. So this build was done very fast. Like, it was a rush build. We was trying to make it to a show, so everything you see here was rushed. Yes, even the hardlines people, that was rushed. So my boy Jay came through. He actually did it himself, so it's coming up good. He learned from scratch. He was one of my students. Now he's better than me. Look at that. Nice bends. We got a couple of 45s, 90s. Should look dope. What's going on, guys? So here's an update on the sub box, 4-footer sub box for the 8-inch CT sound. So here we have the box. This is the ported section. The sealed section is right here. This is the sealed. Those are the 8s. 8s is going to be on the sealed section, and then on the ported side, this is the ported side. So we just finished wrapping the sides, the back, and the top. Now I'm working on the bracing. Now this is going to be a little bit unique. It's kind of hard to see what's going on now, but little by little it's going to start taking shape. So you're going to see. This is the bracing. So the bracing is going to be out of plexiglass. Mask and goggles. Safety first. Alright, so we got 2 pieces ready. Identical pieces. Ooh. This looks clean. Yeah. It's like a push it. Ooh, nice.
Yeah, who's gonna pay?
So the LED
iPhone.
is gonna start from here. It's gonna go straight back, that wall, and then back out. It's looking fresh though. Now we gotta drill the holes for the 8s, bring it out, and then wrap this. All right. Here we have the Goonies, Mr. J Hard. Call him J Hard. And Mr. W over there. W getting busy, sniffing the MDF.
It's good.
J Hard. J Hard is working on some masterpiece.
Two lines.
Alright.
You f me up, bro. I need concentration over here.
W going ham on his TL build.
Sound the same shit.
No, he don't. He deserve nothing but the best. But you mother. You get the best high out of MDF. Look at that.
It's like a,
Yo,
it's
Jay,
like
come sniff this.
it's like a permanent high. Because once you do, you die.
Now we're gonna show off the compressors, but this is not gonna be the final shape. That this is gonna.
So why you said
We might have to redo
so
this
why he
board.
said he wasn't gonna show the compressors off?
He told me he wasn't in the beginning.
The compressors?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am gonna show the compressor, not the tank.
You told me the compressor you wasn't gonna show.
The compressor, yes, but not the tank. The tank is gonna be hidden.
Have you not seen the way it sits in the car?
I saw it.
What are you giving me attitude for?
I'm not giving you attitude. Don't talk to me like that.
I don't appreciate you speaking to me that way, okay? I'm very sensitive right now.
I told you, don't act like that in front of people.
In front of what people? Neither a person, nor neither an animal. You don't understand love.
Rare. Series innovations. So what's up? What you doing today, Caitlin? You fixing the bike?
Yeah.
You taking off the wheel?
Yeah.
Really? What about you, Miley? Is the wheel okay?
No.
No? So you're fixing it, right? What about you, Miley?
Okay. It's just going faster.
Oh yeah? So you're supposed to go faster than that?
Yeah.
Really? So here at Series Innovations, we work hard. We'll make sure that all our cars and vehicles and bicycles are working properly. And it's working fine. We do professional work. Right? We do professional work.
No, I can't get the wheel off.
Oh, you fixing the pedal?
Yes.
Ah, and you are fixing the wheels.
Yeah.
Ah, good job. All right, so Daddy is working on the Lexus. All right, so here's an update. Just finished doing the rear beauty board, the floor, the false floor, and I'm still working on the side pieces, but it's looking nice. Look at this. Finished cutting the plexiglass inside. Little design just to go with the design from in there. Got the RGB There'll be chasing lights inside. Start from down there, up there, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? Got audio. Boom.
And then once you go inside the car,
Oh, that's the dopest part.
that's the
Can I see him? Oh, look, he's in there. Yeah. Another one. Another one.
Damn, mad people. Hey, how much you charge me? Good morning. How much this? Damn, that's so good. Never request. We gotta. I think
Facts,
we're
B.
busy.
Facts. Facts.